Variables in Python. Variables in Python form the bedrock of programming. They allow us to store, manipulate, and retrieve data, providing a way to label and manage information in our programs. Variables can hold different types of data, and unlike in other programming languages, you don't need to declare a data type in Python. It figures that out automatically. Let's create a simple variable. Here, we assign the integer 5 to the variable x. X holds the number 5. When we print x, Python retrieves the stored value and prints it to the screen. Variables can also store text data, known as strings. Strings must be enclosed in either single or double quotes. In this case, y stores the string hello Python. Again, when we print y, the string is printed. Variable names can be almost anything, but they must start with a letter or an underscore and cannot start with a number. They can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Here, my variable is a valid variable name. Python is also case-sensitive, meaning my variable in small letters. My variable, with the words capitalized, and my variable in all caps, are all different variables. As you can see, this prints one value, while this prints a different value. In Python, we can assign values to multiple variables in one line. This helps make our code concise. A, B, and C are assigned the values 1, 2, and 3, respectively. Printing them gives these values in the specified order. Python also allows for swapping variable values, which is not common in other languages. Variables are fundamental to Python and programming in general. They hold data of different types, and their flexible naming and ease of use make Python a powerful yet user-friendly language. Experiment with variables, assign different data types, and try operations like addition or concatenation. This exploration will strengthen your understanding of variables and their potential.